Rich Tehrani with TMC here. We're at Cloud Expo 2012 in Santa Clara. We've got on our program today Patrick with Cloud Sidekick. And Patrick, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So tell us a little bit about what your company does.
Well, we have a cloud orchestration platform that allows you to define what a application looks like in a service template format, and then allows you to publish that to end users for self-service, so that they can deploy their own applications into the cloud or into traditional VMware infrastructure, or even on physical IT assets.
So it saves them time, development time?
Development time, but also it allows operations to take what they're doing day to day, helping their end users, their application owners, dev test teams, provision IT assets and applications, allows them to publish that to the end users so that they can do that for themselves.
Now, does it take into account things like dependencies between applications as you're moving?
Absolutely. So in our model, you take what we call a deployment, which would be an application, and you define what the different services are within that application. And when you're doing the provisioning, you can specify what those dependencies are, when the applications come up, when they come up, and how they register with each other, with the addition of specifying monitors when those services get into particular states. So it'll automatically schedule the monitors, and they'll run when that application or that service is in that state. Once that service comes out of that state, comes into a less desirable state, different actions will be triggered that will try to get the service into the desired state, or provision new resources to take the load.
So what sorts of companies work with you?
We have a presence in telecom companies, but we're really focusing right now on more of the enterprise, the ERPs, the CRM applications. We're building out new templates so that we can transfer that knowledge and that expertise from one organization to the other. So our target is large enterprises.
So one of the cool attractions of this show is your robotic mascot that we've got here behind us. How does that tie into the company?
Well, we are an orchestration and automation software company, and the robot obviously has a lot of automation that goes along with it. So that's kind of our tie-in.
Which is kind of cool, because when you come to a cloud show, there really isn't much to see because everything is in the cloud. So it's kind of interesting that you brought some hardware at least to keep some of the techies interested in what's going on.
Right. There's been a lot of people that have come up and wanted to talk to us and found out more about us through the little robot here.
So if you had to list some of the pains that you take away for your customers, what would those be?
I would say the time to building out environments, agility. It gives our customers a lot more flexibility in provisioning resources, speed to monitoring, providing metrics to their end users, and overall just giving them a faster way of doing business.
What's next for the company?
Well, our Maestro product that we just released this past week, we're looking for beta customers, partners really to help us continue to build the product out, and to develop these lines of automation around ERP, PeopleSoft, SAP, Siebel. And that's the next step for us.
Excellent. Thanks for your time.
All right. Thank you very much.